Alright, what we have here is the two-way alarm system that we sell, cyclealarmandlighting.com. As you can see, the box is pretty nice, pretty heavy-duty box. It's not, just a cheap cardboard box with nothing on it. You see it displays some of the features on it: arming with lock, disarming with the unlock button, arming with sound and light. You can arm it while it's silent. The display shows that the vehicle is being hit. It has a clock on it. Signal reading, so it tells you how strong the signal is from the motorcycle to the LCD pager, and a power display to show how good the power is in the battery in the alarm unit. What we'll do is we'll open this up and remove the plastic covering. This is the brain to the unit right here. As you can see, it's great construction. These are splash proof. And one of the things you'll notice is that there's two switches on there almost. This one on the left right here states alerting switch. This is for if you need to get another LCD pager remote. You can basically program the remote. On the right side here, you see the sensitivity adjustment. This is for the shock sensor, which is built into here. Where basically, if the bike gets hit, obviously the whole bike absorbs the shock, and once it absorbs the shock, the alarm will go off and the unit will page you. Right here you can see the antenna, which is quite a large antenna. This is placed inside the motorcycle to both send and receive messages. Here's for the wiring harness, which plugs into here. This is the assortment of wires that you basically plug into your motorcycle for the lights, LED lights if you want to turn those on and off remotely. The other options on there. This right here is for the Siren, which you can see. This is 125 decibel Siren. These are great, super loud. Some alarm units only sell alarms that are about 95, 96 decibels. This is one of the loudest ones on the market. And then also comes with, this is a double stick pad, which basically you put right on the brain unit when you mount it inside the motorcycle. This is the backup pager unit. Okay. And here we have the, if I can get it out, the LCD pager unit. And it does come with a battery. Okay, so here is the LCD pager. We're going to stick the battery in there. And it's learning the code, but it doesn't show a status display or anything, and that's simply because the alarm isn't on, so it's not sending messages back and forth. So that's the display that's showing. Now, with this unit, also does come with a flashing LED light, which is this light right here, and basically comes with a 5mm LED holder. Just one of these right here. You can drill a 1/4-inch hole into the motorcycle plastic, and then basically you just fit this right through, and you'll have the LED light. Alright, what we're showing is the two-way alarm system. This is the updated pager version. Basically just showing the alarm system at night. What we're going to do is, right now we're in a parking garage. I'm going to go ahead and arm the unit with the center button. Okay, and basically that's indicating to me on the status indicator that the alarm is on right now on the motorcycle. So if someone actually does go on and try to move the bike, hits the bike, the shock sensor basically goes off. The alarm system comes on, and this pager system, what it's showing is the hammer hitting the bike, basically indicating that the motorcycle is being messed with. Okay. Now the alarm only comes on for about 10 seconds, and then it turns off. Now it's actually still active. What happens is, if the alarm is hit one more time, within 15 seconds after the initial 10-second alarm, it goes into the full alarm mode. So basically, if someone goes, tampers with the bike, the alarm goes on, that's paging you that someone's messing with the alarm, and then the alarm on the bike goes off. but if someone goes back within that 15 seconds, you see it goes into full alarm mode. And that's indicating to your pager, if you can really see that, but it's indicating that now, what you do is hit the unlock button. That shows you the status again of the bike, that right now it's unarmed. What we're going to do is hit the alarm button twice. And on the second time, you can't really see it here, but it does show you on the status indicator the horn with the line through it. And what that's basically telling you is that the system is on mute right now, where the alarm is active, but the horn system isn't going to come on, basically. Okay, so this is if it's late at night and you just want to be notified if someone messes with your bike. Let's say someone does go up and mess with your bike. See the lights go on. You see this unit is now paging and vibrating, and that comes on just for a couple of seconds, and now it's indicating that the full alarm is being activated. Takes a second for the camera to focus, but that's showing you all the indication. You see the battery life on the top right, you see the antenna on the bottom right, and then that's the status indicator on the top left, and it's showing that someone's hitting the bike, and you see the lights going on and off, and that's indicating on the alarm also. Now I'm just trying to unarm it, and then also what it's going to do is it's going to page me in a couple seconds here, just basically advising me that the bike is going to remain unarmed. Okay. The other option that we're going to have on here is to turn on the remote LED lights. Now you can see that LED lights, it can be turned on remotely, and these will basically stay on. These are available also. They'll basically stay on until you see we just turn that off with the remote. See. Now we're going to arm the unit. You can see status indicator. So basically anybody that sees that on the bike is going to realize that the bike does have an alarm system. Probably not mess with it in the first place. But that's basically it. Cycle alarm and lighting. We have that's what's for sale. HID lights on the motorcycle. We have radio system.